Welcome to UD Trucks Cape Town. We are conveniently based in Western Province Park, Epping, only a short distance from either the N1 or N2 highways and only 15 minutes from the centre of Cape Town. Our well-stocked parts department ensures that backup is always available 24/7, and of course that applies to our service division. 7 double bay workshops with 12 qualified technicians are the pride of our business, which when coupled to UD's 24-hour roadside assistance program makes sure we are there when your vehicle needs us most. We offer a full complement of UD truck models across the medium, heavy and extra heavy commercial vehicle range. All of them engineered, developed and rigorously tested to meet the harsh operating conditions found in South Africa. Contact us today on 021 505 8600 or check out our website www.westerncape.udsa.co.za.